Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable notifications on WeBull application on your mobile device. To turn on and off notifications on WeBull, first of all, open the WeBull application on your mobile device and log in. Soon after you do that, if you have disabled notification, you will receive this pop-up. To make sure you don't miss important messages like alerts, dividend payouts, bank transfer, and more, tap on Enable Now so that you can turn on the notification setting. This will now take you to this page from where you need to tap on Notifications and then toggle on the button right next to Allow Notifications. Now once you allow the notification setting, you'll receive various notifications such as news alerts, price alerts, promotional notification, and so on. If you ever want to disable notification, then you'll need to go to your device's settings app, and from the settings app, go ahead and tap on notifications. Under notifications, select WeBull from the list. On the next page, toggle off the button right next to allow notifications, and this will disable the notification setting on the WeBull application. So that's how you can customize your notification and turn it on and off on WeBull. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.